you can add Bluetooth capability to any old car simply by connecting the Gizmo Guy gadget to your car. Let me show you how. So in this case, we'll just turn on the car. Okay, set your radio to 87.9. So we'll go to, see that it says 88.5. So 88.7, 89.5, but there's no 87.9. 88.5, 88.9. Okay, there's no 87.9. So I'm going to show you how we can get the 87.9 to program into your car so you can add Bluetooth capability to your car radio. Okay, all you gotta do is connect the Gizmo Guy gadget to your car. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So this car, we have to do it from the trunk. So we'll go to the trunk and we'll open the trunk. In the back here, we'll just simply connect the Gizmo Guy gadget to the back here for power. Oh yeah, we gotta have the car in the power to show that. So we're gonna plug it in, turn it up. So now we have power. Make sure that this is set at 87.9. As you can see, that 87.9. So now we're gonna go ahead and close this. Come back. Now we're gonna go back to the car and set it to 87.9.
Harm reduction.
See, now you're able to set to 87.9 because 87.9 is now being broadcast by the Gizmo Guy gadget. So now it's being received as a radio signal, like a regular station. So all you gotta do is, now you got an 87.9, you program that into your one of your preset right here. Once you set the preset, so now you're ready. So every time you get in the car, so next time when you get in the car like this, let's say we get in the car, you turn on ignition and listen.
Bluetooth connected.
See, that's it. We just add Bluetooth capability to this older Mercedes factory radio. Okay, we just install Bluetooth onto this car radio without doing anything, simply by connecting the wire and set your radio. Let me show you do it again. Okay, you get in the car next time, you turn on ignition. Okay, your phone will pair automatically. Just listen.
Bluetooth connected.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now your car, it's connected to your phone, and your phone, you are ready to use all the smartphone features through your car radio and hear all your informations and everything. So with the Gizmo Guy gadget, number one, you'll get to add streaming music to your car. Number two, you'll be able to talk hands-free. Okay. Number three, you'll be able to add GPS navigation functionality from apps like Waze. You will get real-time traffic as you drive. So this is the quickest, the easiest way to update and upgrade your car stereo. So your car, essentially, your car stereo will be as smart as your new smartphone. Okay, you can use voice control, or you can just manually control it, but you'll be able to enjoy all your smartphone features right through your older car stereo without a new headset, without new head units, or any type of modification. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.